Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are getting ready for NISSFest. We got the Z absolutely bagged down. If you haven't watched the Nissan Z airbag installation, go ahead, check that out. It is the last video. It looks absolutely sick. Look at that. Anyways, it's a little bit dirty. I kind of want to wipe it down. Thank God it's yellow. You can't really see it's dirty with the yellow. If this was black, this would be covered in dust. But we're going to wipe it down before NISSFest a little bit, and then we'll head out. I didn't even know this, but you can just, if your key is close to the car, press this, and it opens. Is that a 370Z thing too? Because that thing's freaking sick. But if you haven't already, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the Nissan Z. Yeah, let's continue the video. We're gonna try to see if we can get some coffee in there. We're super late and freaking we stopped by Shell and it has some half-ass coffee tasting like straight up creamer, and so we're gonna see if we can get some coffee. We're about to go in. Oh look, another PROTO Z. What the fuck? So we know we're not the only one. Is he back though? We don't know. We don't know. I want to see who that is though. I'm really curious who that was. That's fire. We got two PROTO Z's, bro. Look. We got two. That's fire, bro. PROTO SPEC is in town, baby. PROTO SPECs have now touched the US. That is fire. I really do appreciate like all the support. MIG, it's cool looking. I put some work into it and everything. But when you come to these, this is my first time coming to this like Infinity Nissan events. There's some sick ass builds here. Like I'm talking like well done everything. So we're gonna check those out right now. But fuck, it makes you kind of feel bad. It makes me feel bad. Like bro, like is my car even good enough? It's a G35 boosted and it's nuts. That is an insane G35, bro. So much work into it. We're all parked up at NISSFest. I mean, this thing's just nuts, bro. Check this out. Honeycomb rotors. When I'm telling you these builds are crazy, bro, they are crazy nice, bro. This quality, like the carbon, I'm pretty sure this is paint. Bro, this is too nice, bro. What the? R1 concept brake kit, bro, that is, oh my goodness, bro. Chrome tail lights. This is a well done car, man. Carbon brake. This is just beautiful, man. So there's another PROTO Z. This is the third one. Looks like it's from 3-volt Auto Works. Let's see what they got done to it. It looks stock exhaust, but it does look lowered. And they got some freaking nice wheels. These are some Volk Racing. Check this other insane Q50. I've never seen this kind of hood. This thing got like some little waves going on right here. Forged carbon fiber eyelids, forged carbon fiber front lid, side skirt, carbon fiber fenders, forged carbon side mirrors, and look at that honeycomb, baby. Whew. This is sick. Let's see the inside. Oh, no way. Look at this. Look at the inside. Carbon everywhere. VIP table. This thing's nuts.
Well, that's pretty sick.
I know, right? I think this is the whitest G35 ever. What the fuck? This thing is crazy. This thing is insane, bro. What the? This thing's so damn wide. Fun fact, guys. Before I bought my Nissan Z, you guys know I was trying to buy a Nissan Z and the dealership didn't want to sell it to me. This is that Z right here. This is the one in Costa Mesa. And they don't want anything less than $95,000 for this, which is crazy. But this is the one. Oh my god, that is beautiful. Dang. Bro, this thing is clean. I was recording it when I drove by here.
Dude, no, I was like, where is this guy at?
I parked up my Z over there and inside.
Gotcha.
That thing's sick, bro. All right, bro, you gotta give me a little tour, bro. Give me a little tour.
What do you want to know?
Bro, there's just so much to talk about, bro. Give me a little summary, Just,
Dude, man, fuck it. Let's do this fucking spec sheet, man. It makes
God damn.
Hey, man, I can't remember this shit.
So much stuff. That's how you know you got a full modded list.
Single turbo from Speed Force Racing.
Hell
built by Tim and Mike down there.
Right on.
Precision 6266. Right, so we're in full boost by 3,600 RPM.
Oh shit. Is this Shadow Black?
How do you know, bro?
Bro, I know.
What's
bro.
up?
Come on, man. I know stuff, bro.
Damn, from where though?
3M? Dude, I got him. I got you. Come on, my boy.
Damn. Bright air seats. Custom painted this with the roll cage to ensure that, you know, we keep that gold theme all around.
Listen, so where'd you get your roll cage?
Auto power. San Diego.
San Diego. Hell yeah, bro. Bro, you got it. Oh, this is the ultimate G35. Damn! Look at this. He's got a museum back here. Woo. That is so nice, brother.
You're an inspiration, brother.
Thank you. Bro, are you kidding me?
No, bro.
Man.
I'm telling you, hey, low key.
Yeah.
I be spying on this dude's gram, man. He
so nice. You guys follow him on YouTube, but this is the boy Jay. Looks fucking sick. You already know the secret. Alright guys, so here at NISSFest, they have a booth where they sell like little Hot Wheels, and they also sell like wheels, so you can switch out the wheels of your Hot Wheels. So we got a 400Z, so we're actually gonna switch the wheels on this little car.
Hey, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you. Hell yeah. Alright guys, we're about to head out from NISSFest. A lot of love for the Z, man. It's freaking awesome. Hella love. It's pretty sick. Love this. Peace out, my guy.
You leaving?
I'm leaving, bro.
Take care, man.
Thank you, brother. It was a pleasure to meet you, bro.
Nice meeting
True
you.
blessing, man. Thank you. Take care. All right, guys, we're bouncing. I gotta go eat. I'm hungry, and yeah, let's go. Let's go. I might finish the vlog here. Thank you guys for everybody who said hi at NISSFest. This is probably the most support, more love that I've ever received in person. So it was really a true blessing. It felt really good, guys, and it was good to see some of you guys showing me your cars and everything. So thank you guys so much. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys next episode, guys. Peace. We got a lot of more goodies coming for the Z, so stay tuned. We got some downpipes, we got an exhaust, we got intercoolers, we got a whole bunch of stuff, bro. So I'll catch you guys next stuff. Peace out.